Badges, emblems, bumper stickers, and flags for sale. Chapter 1. Where to buy badges, emblems, bumper stickers, and flags. Badges, emblems for sale. These companies sell custom buttons and custom button making machines. Janes.com, books on military products. taang.com/patches.html. Badge Mint. Box 800. LaSalle, Illinois 61301. 800-223-4103. Badgemint.com. Badge making equipment. Emblem and badge CO. epub 6226. Providence, Rhode Island 02940. 800-556-7466. 800-875-5444. Recognition.com. Trophies, plagues, etc. Hodges Badge CO. 800-556-2440. HodgesBadge.com. Certificates. NASCO. 800-558-9595. NASCOFA.com. Badge making equipment. ngslater.com. 800-848-4621. Button making equipment. Bumper stickers for sale. nextdayflyers.com. esthouse.com, bulk bumper stickers. 48hourprint.com. printrunner.com. ebay.com. zazle.com. makestickers.com. lap-rap.com. internetbumperstickers.com. betadesigns.com/products. stickerguy.com, makes bumper sticks in bulk for your message. unamerican.com, bumper stickers, t-shirts with funny captions. inklingsoftware.com, bumper sticker creation software. iversonsoftware.com/success, bumper sticker creation software. brazenbumperstickers.com. Flags for sale. AmericanFlagsWholesale.com, 888-719-9516. ArizonaFlagman.com. BobsFlags.com. FlagInfo.com. PatrioticFlags.com, 866-798-2803. TheFlagman.biz. TNFlags.com. united-states-flag.com. American Flag and Gift. Arroyo Grande, CA. 800-448-3524. anyflag.com. browardflag.com. 800-476-3524. celebrationflags.com. 888-634-0019. flag-works.com. 800-580-0009. Ultimate Flag Source. Cumming, Georgia 30041. Fax 413-556-7425. ultimateflags.com. Von Display. 5050 West 78th St. Minneapolis, Minnesota 55435. 800-328-6120. Von.com. Woodenflagpoles.com. 800-285-2122.